Make a great choice today with the 2017 Savana Cargo. The GMC Savana, all the cargo you can carry, a price you can afford, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 400 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, power steering, trip odometer, power brakes, power windows, tachometer, electronic brake force distribution, daytime running lights. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
A GM-certified used vehicle can deliver more satisfaction and certainty than any ordinary used vehicle. With our thorough inspection, GM warranty, free vehicle history report, and more. You can expect it all from a GM-certified used vehicle. GM-certified means no worries.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.